Hello students, welcome back to the Principles of Economics class. Here in today's class we are going to see the definitions of economics. Economics was originally introduced as a science of statecraft. It was concerned with the collection of revenue for the state. Advisors to the government were also required to point out the best possible way of spending the revenue. Over a period of time, economists have emphasized different aspects of economic activities and have arrived at different definitions of economics hand in hand with the stages of development of economics. We can have a good idea about the nature and scope of economics by studying some of the important definitions of economics. Some of the important definitions of economics are those which are given by the leading economists like Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Lionel Robbins, and Samuelson. Let us see the first definition of economics, which was given by Adam Smith, which is called wealth definition of economics. Wealth definition. Adam Smith defined economics as a science which inquires into the nature and causes of wealth of nations. He is the author of the famous book Wealth of Nations. He has written this book in the year 1776. He is known as the father of economics because he was the first person who put all the economic ideas in a systematic way. It is only after Adam Smith we study economics as a systematic science. Now, coming to the features of this definition, according to this definition, economics is a science of study of wealth only. It deals with production and distribution of wealth. This wealth-centered definition deals with the causes behind the creation of wealth, and it only considers material wealth. So this definition gave too much importance to the creation of wealth in an economy. Many economists believe that economic success of any nation depends only on the accumulation of wealth. And this definition indicates that economics also deals with an inquiry into the causes behind the creation of wealth. For example, wealth of a nation may be increased by raising the level of production and export. This definition further explored that the wealth of a nation includes only material goods, for example, different manufactured items. Non-material goods were not included, hence non-material goods like services of teacher, doctor, engineer, etc. were not considered as wealth. The concept of economic man, this definition is based on the man who is always self-centered and self-interested in nature, and the economic man focused only on his own well-being and had only one motive, which was to earn money and to make wealth. Now let us see some of the criticisms of this definition. Wealth is of no use unless it satisfies human wants. This definition is not of much importance to man and welfare. The wealth-centric definition of economics limits its scope as a subject and was seen as narrow and inaccurate. Adam Smith's definition forced the subject to ignore all non-wealth aspects of human existence, and this definition overemphasized the material aspects of well-being and ignored the non-material aspects. It was assumed that human beings acted as rational economic agents. The definition prevents the subject from exploring the concept of resource scarcity. The allocation and use of scarce resources are used as a, a central topic of analysis in modern economics. These are the few characteristics and criticisms of wealth definition. By this, I stop for today's class. Thank you.